Podcast episode 59, Conjunctions and But, because vertical bar learn English in 1990 days. Hello, and welcome back to Learn English in 90 days. I'm Suman, your educator from Treecampus, a free platform to learn English. Today's topic is all about conjunctions, the little words that connect your ideas and make your sentences smoother. We'll focus on three common ones: and, but, because. 1. And, to add information. Use and to join similar ideas. Examples. I like tea and coffee. She speaks English and Hindi. We went to the market and bought fruits. 2. But, to show contrast. Use but to show a difference or opposite idea. Examples. I like pizza, but I don't like burgers. He is smart, but lazy. The movie was long, but interesting. 3. Because, to give a reason. Use because to explain why something happened. Examples. I'm tired because I didn't sleep well. She is happy because she passed her exam. We stayed home because it was raining. Real-life conversation example. Neha, do you want tea or coffee? Ravi, I'll take coffee and some biscuits. Neha, I like coffee, but it keeps me awake at night. Ravi, I drink it because it helps me stay alert. Game fill in the blanks. I was hungry, I ate a sandwich. She is kind, helpful. He failed the test, he didn't study. I want to go, I don't have time. It's cold, sunny today. Answers. So. And. Because. But. Note, so is another conjunction, but today we focused on and, but, because. Challenge of the day. Make 3 sentences using these 3 conjunctions. Examples. I went to the park and played football. She wants to go out, but it's raining. I'm learning English because I want to travel. Say your sentences out loud and try writing them down. Well done today. Keep practicing, and remember, conjunctions help your English sound natural and connected. For more lessons and practice, download the Treecampus app. It's free and easy to use. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for daily tips. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep improving.